Hey guys, Mark from the Speedy Sebbies here, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you back on a culinary adventure near Lanseria Airport. We couldn't use our trusty bike as she's still in the workshop, so we took the car instead. I brought my eldest daughter and her fiance with me, and we had a blast exploring the area. First up, let's talk about the venue. The culinary table near Lanseria Airport is a firm favorite of ours and one that you won't want to miss. The restaurant offers a unique dining experience with a farm-to-table approach. The ingredients are sourced from the restaurant's own garden, so you can expect fresh, seasonal and organic produce. The menu changes regularly to reflect what's in season, so you'll always find something new to try. The restaurant has a relaxed and rustic atmosphere, which makes it the perfect place to unwind and enjoy a delicious meal with family and friends. My son-in-law-to-be, Matt, has particular tastes, and so I thought his choice of breakfast was a bold one for him.
Scale from 1 to 10, how much are you regretting your choice right now? 10 being, I'm super regretting it. 1 being, actually it turned out to be rather pleasant and I'm happy with my choice. Hold on, Jen, before he answers, turn the camera so that we can see Matthew's face for his answer.
say it's about a 6 or a 7.
I'd say you're lying to your teeth. It's more like a 9 or a 10.
Alas, his adventurous spirit wasn't able to get him past the hurdle of berries and bananas, but luckily we were able to restore the balance with some delicious toast, cheese, oh my god, the cheese, and jam. Don't forget to check out their amazing deli, which offers a delicious variety of lekker treats and imported goods. After enjoying a delicious meal, we decided to take a relaxing and scenic drive through Kromdraai. The route offered breathtaking views of the Magaliesberg Mountains on one side and Johannesburg off in the distance on the other. Driving at a leisurely pace, we savored the incredible scenery and took in deep breaths of the fresh air. The winding roads and serene atmosphere made for a peaceful and rejuvenating experience. It was a perfect way to escape the stress of daily life. We had such a lekker adventure that we highly recommend. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. With any luck, we'll be back on the bike soon. As always, thanks for watching, stay free and keep exploring.